What's up, everybody? Sorry for the low lighting. A little bit different style video today. We're doing a recap video of our trip here to Cutting Edge Haunted House here in Texas. This is our very first time coming through, and this is their blackout event here during the summertime. Now, we did not get permission to take you guys through with us, but stick around to the end. We're going to show you some of the queue lines here and then some of the queue lines in between, and then we'll give you our recap after we get out the exit and let you know what we thought. So without further ado, let's go get some scares. Guys, so we just got out of Cutting Edge Haunted House. First time ever going through, and this was, like I say, their blackout event. So very, very dim lighting. As far as like normal haunt lighting, I don't know what to compare it to for here, but I would say it has maybe 5 to 10% of the lighting it needs. So very, very, very dark. They did give us a couple glow sticks as we went through. I think we went through 5 different attractions. They had, the first one was like an asylum theme. The second one, I believe, was more like industrial slaughterhouse. They had this big conveyor, like moving bodies up and down. There's multiple floors here too, so I'm pretty sure there's like 3 or 4 different levels. And there was another like a hospital-y kind of theme. That one was weird though, so because it kind of went back and forth to like a little bit random. There was a very, very short clown-themed haunt. It was it was the shortest one there. Down towards the end, they had like almost like so it's like an ancient, prehistoric, like they had dragons and dinosaurs, big nasty spiders, almost like occulty, ancient, like I say, almost, I don't want to say Egyptian, but like underground temple sort of things. Yeah, big variety of themes here at Cutting Edge. We're definitely curious to come back one year for their live show. Had quite a variety of actors in there as well. So the experience as a whole was very much a conga line. They were crazy busy tonight, and they were just kind of running people through like crazy because a lot of people here on an off-season event, you got to get them through. So definitely understand why they did it, but due to the low lighting and just lots of people coming through, not all the actors were as interactive as we like to see. A lot of pop scares, just kind of boo come out, that sort of thing. Not saying they weren't effective, all of them. Nora got scared very many times in there, but we also passed a lot of actors that didn't really do anything, so that was a little bit disappointing. I'm sure during the normal season, they got a lot better lighting. There's probably a lot more actors, a little bit more training, that sort of thing. So we're curious to, like I say, come back during the haunt season to see the full show one day. Another thing was the sound is, even if they would have let us film, we would have paid hell actually getting it published on YouTube because the whole place is full of copyright music. A lot of new metal, that sort of thing. Makes the place feel very, very energetic, even where you're in between actors and that sort of thing.
So we just got out of Cutting Edge, and that was really fun. It was blackout, but I screamed a lot. They can vouch. Somebody kept getting me really good in there, and there was this one time where one of the actors that was dressed really well snuck up in between me and Tyler and got me really good. I don't know who that was, but kudos, because that was good.
Had the shock stick, yeah.
Yeah, he had one of the shocky sticks. I like the area with the meat conveyor, like how you walk all the way around that and then you end up above it later. It's hard to see in there right now, but that was really cool.
I was surprised that it was multi-level. Yeah, I wasn't expecting it. What do you guys think?
No, I thought it was really good. They got me right at the beginning because I touched somebody right when we went in, and it scared me, and I screamed. And I usually don't do that, but it was really good. I really liked it.
And I really love the conveyor scene where we saw the conveyor on the bottom floor and then we ended up on the top and saw the conveyor coming back around. It's like bodies hanging in a meat locker, you know, conveyor process. And then they had a lot of laser tunnels.
Those laser tunnels were cool.
There was that one that just made it look like you guys were real far away, just walking down it. It was trippy.
Really plays with the depth perception. Yeah.
And then the rock concert in the middle of it, that was...
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, the drummers in that one queue line.
In there. Yeah, that's cool.
But overall, lots of fun here at Cutting Edge for our very first time. I highly recommend coming and checking them out. If you enjoyed this one, you're not going to want to miss our Dark Hour, Dead by Dark Hour event. That was last summer's, where they get the little stickers and they try to kill you as you go through. That was an absolute ton of fun. Make sure you check that out. I got a link for you right here. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.